Autoglym's Lifeshine Cerafuse treatment is absolutely fantastic, and here's why. It protects your new car against paint damage, interior stains, and can even help maintain your car's value over time. The Autoglym Lifeshine system with Cerafuse technology is a 3-part protection package designed to give your car long-lasting defense both inside and out. Once applied, the ceramic barrier bonds to your car's paint, locking in that rich, glossy colour from new. It not only enhances shine, but also creates a tough shield against everyday hazards like road salt, UV rays, dirt, and even those annoying swirl marks from washing. Fabrics and upholstery are treated with a stain-resistant, water-repellent coating. Spills from coffee, juice, or muddy shoes don't sink in, they simply wipe away. Lifeshine adds an invisible hydrophobic layer that transforms how your windows handle rain. Instead of smearing across the surface, water beads and rolls straight off, giving you better visibility, improved safety, and less reliance on your wipers in heavy showers. On top of the treatment, you'll also get an aftercare kit, which has foaming car wash, rapid ceramic spray, interior shampoo, fast glass, and some extras like a sponge, bird dropping wipes, tyre cleaner, tyre dressing, air freshener, and a microfiber cloth. If you want your car protected inside and out with a stunning shine, then choose Autoglym Lifeshine with Cerafuse. You can even spread the cost with your finance plan.
Pulman, delivering a fantastic customer experience.